Are you curious about what the ultimate $2,000 gaming PC could look like in 2024? Let's explore a dream build featuring some of the most powerful and affordable parts, and imagine how it could crush games like GTA 6 and Cyberpunk 2077. Processor AMD Ryzen 7780X3D. With 3D V-Cache technology, this CPU is built for gaming and multitasking, delivering top-tier performance without breaking the bank. Graphics card NVIDIA RTX 4070. The RTX 4070 strikes the perfect balance between price and power, offering stunning ray tracing and high FPS in games like Cyberpunk 2077. Motherboard MSI Mag-B 650, a feature-packed board with DDR5 support and excellent build quality. RAM Corsair Vengeance, DDR5 32GB, 2x16GB. Future-proofed with 32GB of fast DDR5 memory for seamless gaming and content creation. Storage Samsung 980 Pro, 2TB NVMe SSD. Imagine loading a game like GTA 6 in seconds. This SSD makes that possible. Power supply Corsair RM850E 850 watts 80+ gold reliable power to fuel your rig, with room for future upgrades. Case Lee Lancool Mesh, an affordable case with excellent airflow and gorgeous RGB options. Cooler Noctua NHU12A Chromax, silent, efficient cooling for peak CPU performance. Let's imagine the performance. GTA 6, when it releases, could run at 4K with ultra settings and 90+ FPS. For Cyberpunk 2077 with ray tracing, you'd expect smooth 100 FPS gameplay at 1440p. Even games like Valorant could hit upwards of 300 FPS. This is the ultimate $2,000 build for 2024. Hypothetical, but realistic for gaming enthusiasts. What do you think of this dream setup? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting gaming and tech content. See you in the next video on PC Masterclass.